Hi there, welcome back to Freshly Smooth. Today we will explore a very easy and delicious way how to satisfy your sweet tooth without compromising your health. I have a very special recipe that combines three delicious fruits, mango, banana, and strawberry, to create mouth-watering vegan ice cream. Into the blender, add 2 ripe frozen bananas, 2 cups of frozen strawberries, half a cup of full-fat canned coconut milk, 1 tablespoon of raw honey, and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Blend everything together, and when it's smooth, add 1 teaspoon of blue spirulina. When it's blended, place it in the container and in the freezer while we are making second part of our ice cream. Into the bowl, place 2 cups of frozen mango, 1 cup of frozen strawberry, half a cup of full-fat canned coconut milk, 1 tablespoon of raw honey, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. After it's blended completely, add it into the rest of our ice cream and place it in the freezer once again. I left it overnight, but you can leave it in the freezer for 1 to 2 hours and your plant-based ice cream is ready to be enjoyed. I hope this recipe would be helpful to stay cool and healthy during the hot days. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy!